Hey guys, I'm here with the SUNVIE LED outdoor landscape lighting kit. And I just wanted to go through and just show you exactly what comes in the box here. And then I'm gonna do an install and light up the lights and everything as well. So first off, the transformer. This thing's a big old heavy, nice, high quality transformer. Got the sticker on it there. Don't worry about that bubble. On the back, you'll see the 12-volt hookup, the 14-volt hookup, also the power cord, and then the photo sensor, which the other end of it's still in the box over there, but it hooks up right there. So that's first. And then in the box here, point you down, you're going to find a bunch of wire connectors. So these go onto the lights and then onto the main power wire as well. You'll see each one of your LED lights. So it comes just like that. And then you will see, so you got in this kit, I think there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so this is the 12 LED light kit. So each light will also have a little spike that you can screw onto the bottom here. So you actually undo this bolt and then put it through there. It's good, high quality stuff right there. I was expecting it to actually screw on, which is not as good because it can always just come loose, but I love that it's actually a bolt you have to screw in. And then also comes with some mounting hardware. This is also the photo sensor for the main transformer. This is some mounting software for that as well. Hardware, sorry, I think I said software. And then it comes with 2 different controllers. I don't really know why. Short range controller and LED controller. So I don't really know why it comes with 2. Hopefully both of them work for all of the lights. I'm pretty sure they will, but I'll definitely update that once I get them installed and all that stuff. But I'm guessing one of them will work for all of them. So that's a good thing. And then just a bunch of screws and mounting hardware and all that as well, as an Allen wrench for these little bolts here. So I'm super pumped up. I'm gonna show you the light again, just to make sure you see that in detail. This is good, high quality stuff. It's IPX65, let's see. Yeah, IP65, 16 different colors. It looks good. Looks high quality stuff. I'm really excited to have these and get them hooked up. So I really like the finish on them as well. So anyways, I'll have another video just lighting them up and installing once I get all that done. Thanks for tuning in, guys.